Hi, y'all. Yeah, no, I know. I think I'm just going to stick with, hi, guys. For those of you that don't know, my name is Michael, and I am the woodworker for MK Designs. And I don't have a build video for you this week. I don't have any kind of video, actually. It's been a hectic 2 weeks around here. My youngest son, as most of you know, joined the Army, and we had to get him shipped off to basic, and we've been trying to get everything situated with him, getting his address, making sure he has everything he needs, he gets settled in, and the drill sergeant's actually getting picked up. And been trying to get letters written to him. And, you know, tomorrow's Father's Day, and today's Saturday. So we've been making plans for that. And I've been working on a mock-up of the wine rack so that I can make sure I have all my measurements right and whatnot before I start on that. So I'm in the middle of getting the wine rack started. Kat's working on one of her puzzles. She's working on a video for that. And I also have a chisel sharpening video that I need to get put together and get loaded up for you guys. So yeah, I mean, it's been a really hectic couple of weeks. I mean, we've had a lot going on, and I just haven't been able to get videos put together. So I'm throwing this thing together to give you an idea of what's coming up. Like I mentioned, the 3 videos that we've got. Well, I will have a video for the wine rack. I'm not sure yet how many videos that's actually going to be. So yeah, it's one of those things. And I wanted to give you an idea because we finally broke the 50 subscriber mark. Everybody says the first 100 is the hardest. Personally, I think the first 50 is the hardest. So yeah, I mean, we finally hit that. I literally went from 48 subscribers to 64 almost overnight. I mean, it's amazing. And I want the growth to keep continuing. That's why I wanted to get this video put out for you guys this week. So I'm going to pause the camera, and I'm going to go get a couple of things, and I'm going to give you an idea or a hint, kind of, about what I'm going to be doing once we hit 100 subscribers. All right, so hang on. Okay, like I said, we had to get my son taken up to MEPS so he could get shipped off to basic. And so we went up to Denver a couple weeks ago, and I took a trip over to Paxton Lumber and picked up some wood. And I'm going to show you that in just a second, but first I got to say, Kat's holding the camera, and she's giving me these dumbfounded looks, and it's going to be hard to keep a straight face. So anyway, point down here. This is Pacific Coast Tiger Maple, Curly Maple. And what I'm going to be making for my 100 subscriber giveaway, yes, I said giveaway, is I'm going to make something out of this and a couple different species, other species of wood, and I'm going to be giving it away. I'm hoping to get 2 of them out. I'm going to try and sell one and give away the other. But I wanted to put a little bit of mineral spirits on this so you guys could see how beautiful this wood is. I'm sure some of you have seen it from some of James's videos. He uses it. He's been using it a lot here lately also. Let's get some mineral spirits on here. But watch this. Look at how that grain is just popping all over the place. This is going to be beautiful. And okay, now she's saying she wants me to get some of this down here too. So what, the swirls here?
Yeah.
Speak.
The bumps. And the swirls.
She's having me get mineral spirits everywhere, y'all. So yeah, it's going to be gorgeous. So whoever gets this thing is gonna love it. So I'm still working on how I'm going to decide who wins. But I know one thing for sure. I'm not going to require you to be a subscriber to the channel, because there's just no way I can prove that. And I'll explain that in a few moments. Let me get this closed up, and we'll get the camera switched back over there. Okay, so yeah, this curly maple it's gorgeous. I mean, it really is. So yeah, I want to tell you guys so bad what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to, because that's part of the surprise. I mean, I want to surprise you guys. I mean, you may be astounded, you may not be. I don't know. I know that it's what I'm going to make is one of the first things that I made when I started getting back into this, and it's actually the first time I cut dovetails on a jig. And yeah, so that's another hint, by the way, if you follow me on Facebook, or if you remember, it's like something I posted a few months ago. At any rate, yeah, so I've got this curly maple. I'll go ahead and tell you, I'm going to use also use Paduke and Yellow Heart, and those are the three species of wood that I'm going to use for this thing. And I don't really want to give away too much more on that. But we've got, like I said, we've got Kat's puzzle, little wooden puzzle things. I'm not sure what you call them. I think it's just puzzles, wooden puzzles. She's not going to speak right now because she doesn't want her voice on camera for whatever reason. And I got the wine rack. I'm working on that. The chisel sharpening, and I've got a few other ideas. But you know, I'm always looking for ideas. I mean, you guys, you know, I've asked you this a couple of times. You know, let me know what it is you'd like for me to do, and I'll get it done. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments. If this is your first time visiting the channel, I really appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I'm asking you to subscribe, not so you can win, but so that we can get to a point where someone can win. I'm not going to do it till I hit 100 subscribers. And when I get there, that's when I'll do that video. And I'll do that build, and I'll give it away. And just so you know, I have decided that I am going to open it up to international people as well. So basically, anyone who meets the requirements that I decide on, and no matter where they're at, I don't care. I don't care if it's Germany. I don't care if it's Kazakhstan. I don't care if it's Australia. Doesn't matter. Even Lar up in Canada, he could win too. So yeah, I mean, I'm opening it up internationally. I'm willing to pay the shipping internationally for this. So yeah, like I said, if you're new, hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the little bell so you know when I get so you get notified whenever I put out new videos. And that's it for right now. I'm gonna go get started on trying to finish up, at least glue up the mock-up of the wine rack. And yeah, so until next time, guys, happy creating.